Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Apollo.io to generate quality leads for your business or outreach campaigns. It's a powerful platform that helps you find people and companies that match your ideal customer profile. And with the right filters, it becomes incredibly effective. Start by going to Apollo.io and signing up if you don't already have an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Search tab located on the left side of the dashboard. From there, you'll be working under the People section, where you'll see a wide set of filters designed to help you narrow down your search. Now you'll want to start defining who you're targeting. Enter the job titles you want to focus on, based on your ideal customer profile. For example, if you're targeting marketing professionals, search for roles like Head of Marketing, VP of Marketing, or Growth Manager. You can enter multiple title variations to make your results more accurate. To refine your search even more, you can add exclusions. Click on the Job Titles filter again. Activate the Is Not Any of toggle. And type in any titles you want to exclude from your results. This helps remove irrelevant contacts and keeps your list focused. Next, you can move on to setting the location. Scroll down to the Location filter and add the cities, states, countries, or zip codes where you want to find leads. You can use one or more locations depending on your goals. After that, you can filter companies by size using the Employees tab. Choose the size range that fits your target audience, whether you're going after startups or large enterprises. Then use the Industry filter to narrow your list to specific sectors. Apollo's industry categories are broader than LinkedIn, but they work well when combined with relevant keywords. This helps you find the exact types of companies you're looking for. You can also include other criteria like revenue range or technologies used if those are part of your customer profile. So once you've applied all your filters, click the Save Search button. Give your search a name and save it so you can revisit or update it later. Now click on Saved Searches to view your results. From here, you can add contacts to a list or export them as a CSV file for use in your CRM or email marketing tool. This is how you build a highly targeted list that's ready for outreach. That's how you use Apollo.io to generate high leads. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.